Hello, hello. Welcome in. Welcome in. Hope everyone's doing well as we are on Wednesday, September 3rd today. All right. Good morning, Gio. I'm doing well. How are you guys doing today? The year is going by quick. It's already September. We got the iFVG Autotrader releasing this month. Still fine-tuning stuff on that, and probably later this month, but still this month nonetheless. So, yeah. Hope everyone's doing well, though. Haven't live streamed in about a week-ish, I think. So, try not to live stream like every single day now, because I think sometimes it's not fun when there's only 5 people in here, so. Yeah, hope everyone's doing well. Anything on pricing? It'll be right around where SBS is at. I'm not sure exactly, but it'll be right around SBS. Somewhere around 200 a month. Summer finally over, yeah. Hopefully action's a little better in the fall here. Yeah. Kind of traded with the SPS model today. I'm not going to on the live stream, but you definitely can trade with the SPS model today. But yeah, I'm not going to do that on the live stream today. SBS is still killing it though. And I see a lot of people with HFT's new thing doing well also, so. But yeah, hope everyone's doing good. We got market open in 5 minutes. And I don't... we do have red folder news today. Yeah, we have Jolt's job openings at 10. And I think that's it, so... Use it every day. Awesome. Yeah, SBS is it's a great model. It's a great model. So a lot of people like it, especially on the NASDAQ. We do have overnight lows below us. London low and Asia low is right around 310 and 300 on the NASDAQ. We have the 50% of the overnight range at 380 roughly. We do have some hourly highs above us, so we're in a good spot for some opportunities this morning, I would say. In a good spot for some good opportunities. Yeah, iFVG Autotrader released sometime this month. Similar price to SBS. And that's pretty much it. It will still be it will be a little more hands-on. But I think that's good. So I think that's good. Give people a little more opportunity for different results, you know, depending on where you mark out your own liquidity levels, if you want to do it that way, or you can just use the full auto mode. But we think the semi-automated mode is going to be the best. So all right, market open in 1 minute here. We'll get a little poll going here. Get a little engagement from you guys here. Market direction for the day. I think we'll probably, I don't know. I would lean bearish. It's just my guess. All right, market's open now. Market is open. Risk off signal. Want to see lower? Cool. Cool. Yeah, I would like to ideally go down to like 300. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but there's some overnight London and Asia low right there. Could be a good spot to reverse. As well as, I think, yeah, you'd be inside of an hourly for Valley Gap as well. So that could be a pretty good spot. There's a little sell-off. Starting to pick up some speed here. Pretty volatile. We just bounced from 385 up to 410 in like 3 seconds. Another drive down here. tapping pretty much the 50% level of the overnight range right now. Tapping the 50% level. If we can stay above it, then I would say we could see some of those hourly highs above us. But if we break below, then I'd be watching for those Asia low sweeps, London low sweeps. So yeah, right at the 50% level, 380. Kind of tapping off. Little SMT with NQ and ES as well. So volatile right now. It is nuts. This is really scary volatility. So volatile. Really short-term volatility metrics showing around 9 to 10. Gotcha. Gotcha. I tried a 30-second long there. We moved up from my entry about 10 points. I went stop loss break even. So I got hit out break even on that. It was really whippy right after my entry. As soon as we moved a little above my entry, it just took the risk off the table there. Not worth the risk there for me. Just so volatile. So ideally we want to see a hourly liquidity sweep from here. I mean, that'd be ideal. So it's a good thing I wouldn't break even too, because it would have hit my stop loss. So all good. It was worth a stab. Then right after my entry, we pretty much just chopped. So took a 30-second long. Pretty good right off the 50% tap. Good reaction. So it's all good. Moving back down towards that 50% right now. Again, that's still at 380. Yeah. Yeah. I agree. It was worth a shot in my opinion for how I trade. But ideally I want to see an hourly, one of those sweeps of those lows below us. But I think that would be the best trades we could get for the morning. Is a 50% or a, not a 50% tap, a Asia low sweep in a hourly for value gap. I think that'd be the best. So. Think you can take a sell? Go for it. Yep, just gotta wait for the right moment. I want to see the range expand to, we're still in, I mean, we moved 60 points since the open. But yesterday at this point, we moved like 150 already. Breaking through the 50% here, and we just got a close below it on the 1 minute. So, decent sign as of this moment for potentially some lower prices. Decent opportunity for some lower prices there. ES is, we do have an SMT actually with ES and Q. Bullish SMT there. Yeah, there's really nothing here, so not really any gaps for an inverse. Yeah. Could be waiting till that Jolts red folder news at 10. Usually Jolts doesn't do much though. Bouncing again off the 50% now. It's actually no close under on the 1 minute. It was I was looking at the 30-second, so respecting that 50% level. Neutral for today at the moment. Might be getting on the weaker side. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. SBS sell at 0.618. I mean, you could, let me see here. I would say there's a sell at 424.50 potentially for a short. 424.50. But that's all I would see there. But I'm hands off here. I want to see us sweep an hourly low. 426. Alright, we're just chopping still. Just chopping right now. Still in the 65 point range. I did draw it on the Fib. I looked at it. Looks like we might just be kind of waiting until the news, so I mean, that's what it looks like to me. Also, Apex did extend PA fee discounts, and there's $37 resets. Still respecting the 50% level on NQ. Mm-hmm. Okay, NASDAQ, let's do something, man. We're just kind of chopping right now. And ES and NQ are completely different right now. Okay. 50% level is like right here. I've been holding it. Pretty much right there. Well, we're not expanding yet, so just chopping. Chopping. Really, I mean, we're pretty much in a 20-point range, or 30-point range right here. Okay. It's moving down now. Okay. Broke the SMT there. We got our first close on the 1 minute below the 50% just now. What are we doing? What are we doing? Jeez. Kind of rocketing right now. We are kind of rocketing. Done and dusted. Nice. Good stuff, Mr. Sniper. Crazy bullish run, yeah. Yeah, right off the 50% level, so we are in a long on the iFVG Autotrader here. See how that does. Looks like it might be an insta stop out here. Excuse me. Yeah, lost out there. Lost out there. No big deal. No big deal. Really selling off hard now. Selling off pretty hard. Has been some interesting struggles. Yeah, it is super volatile. Gotta be careful today. It's like it's just whippy. It's just whippy. But we have news in 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes. So I'll just be waiting for that at this point. Not a terrible long here, but it lost, so oh well. We're bouncing off the... It was just a little bit of a small gap. How big was this gap here? 5 points, so that's what our minimum threshold is. You could raise that up in the settings here, so let me see actually. We go into the strategy settings. Change this to 7. Yeah, if you had it at 7, it wouldn't have taken that, so depends on the gap size, right? Depends on the gap size. Come on, news. Do something for us. Do something for us. Took this 30-second long. This is actually the same one I took. I just moved my stop loss to break even on this wick right here. What about, what is it? Is it 15-second taking any? Yes. 15-second had a win right here. Had a win. A 1-to-1 win, I think. Okay. I wonder if you can go to the 5-second chart. I will leave it on this for a second. All right, news is coming up here very shortly. Yeah, nothing there. Not surprised. That's pretty shallow of a time frame. Would never really advise trading a 5-second chart. All right, here's news though. Here is news. Little news wick so far. Only 25 points so far. 1-second chart. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, we're expanding slightly. We're at 30 points, 37 points, 46 points. Okay, so that's kind of a news candle there. All right, 46. Okay. 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 Tops just swept. Okay. Interesting. Did ES? Oh, ES did. Okay. We have a slight SMT as well. With NQ and ES right here. Excuse me. We do have, oh yeah, we do have hourly highs at 484. 484. I would like if we went up and swept those hourly highs. I think those could be good. I mean, just since news, we've rallied 78 points already. A small 30-second up here. I mainly do ICT style. Let's go sweep an hourly high, buddy. 458 is a hourly high. Go sweep that hourly high. 458. 458.50. Right there. Go, 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 go. Okay, it swept. Hourly highs swept. What about that? That didn't even... Nice reaction off that hourly sweep. Still have an SMT with NQ and ES as well. No problem, sniper. No problem. Okay. 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 Market's not great this morning. It's not great. Getting bored, guys. I'm getting quite bored. Another 15, there's a 15-second short here that it just took. I was actually just looking at this. Just hit the first target there. Just hit that first target. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. I almost took that 15-second myself, but I did not, so. $15-second for the win, I guess, today. I was looking for shorts. But yeah, no, it just went so fast. Yeah, I agree, Gio. Wow. Yikes. Yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I was looking at that 15-second for a manual short. I just really didn't want to take a 15-second, to be honest. But that would have hit like 2.5 R. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing to stress. No. Yeah, a lot more opportunities. Dang. That's crazy. Yikes. Really bullish reactions right here. Action sucks today. I'm not even gonna lie to you. In my opinion. In my opinion. Been happening to me quite a bit recently. I have my finger on the button and I don't pull the trigger. Like that 15-second short would have been so good. I didn't pull the trigger there. Which is a real bummer. Yeah. I didn't want to take a 15-second though. I mean, it was a good reaction, but... And it looked... I mean, it was really good. Honestly, really good reaction. Hindsight, but... Good idea, Gio. Good idea. I think we'll end the live stream here, though. So, market's a little volatile today. I'm going to end it here. I don't think we had one loss on the 1 minute. Some trades on the 15 seconds, pretty good, as seen here. Yeah, we'll end it here. Thanks for tuning in, and I think we'll be back tomorrow. So have a great day, everybody.